Hey, welcome back to the kitchen for another edition of Tank Top Cooking.
Okay, right on, man. Okay, there's a few things we're gonna need here. Grab yourself some roast beef, man. Okay, I got top sirloin there, man. Okay, over in the veggies department. Okay, mushrooms are optional, but ooh, yeah, I love mushrooms. Grab yourself some carrots, man. Grab yourself some celery, maybe a bell pepper. Why not? An onion. Okay, right on. Grab yourself some barbecue sauce, some Worcester sauce, some black pepper. Okay. Some garlic powder here. I'm using some herb and garlic. Oh, why not? Okay. And a beer. Why not?
Okay, man, just grab that, you know, what you're going with here. I got, oh, Jesus, probably a pound of top sirloin. Okay? Just get that baby out there. And, oh, man, yeah, you get a slow cooker. You're going to need that, too. Just top the slap baby in there. Okay, right on. Grab yourself your Worcester sauce there. Toss on, oh geez, about a half a cup or so. Oh yeah. Okay, you got that. Grab yourself your herbs and garlic here, probably about a teaspoon of this. Okay. Ooh. Oh, yeah, it's about a teaspoon-ish there. Okay, toss that over there. Okay, now, you know what I do? About a half cup barbecue sauce. Just why not? Boom! Oh, yeah. That's gotta be a half cup there. Okay, and then pepper. Just don't get too crazy. Just throw on a little bit of pepper. About a teaspoon-ish. Okay. You know, you could cut your mushrooms up, but hey, what the hell, just throw them in there. Okay, baby carrots, you cut them up too, but you know what? I'm just gonna throw them in there. Throw them in there, okay? Your celery stalk here, you might want to cut that up. Okay, cut that up. Okay, and guess what? We're just gonna throw it in there. Whew, yeah. Okay, take that bell pepper that you got there. You know, it doesn't matter what you use, but the red one is what I'm using on this here, so just cut it up. You don't have to use the whole bell pepper if you don't want, but you know what? I'm gonna throw the whole sucker in there. So just cut it into, you know, about the same kind of slices you got going on with the celery there. Okay, right on, then grab that onion. Doesn't have to be a huge heap of onion, just a decent sized onion. Just cut it up into nice little thin little pieces. Not too big. Just kind of thin little slices. Okay, right on. Once you got that going, just take your bell pepper and your onion and boom, put it in your slow cooker. Sticking with the theme. Alright. Okay, now that beer, this is just a little optional. You don't have to do this, but you know, just toss a little beer on top. Okay, just a little bit, like about a quarter cup of beer. Okay, plug your slow cooker in. Okay, put your lid on. Turn her up to low. 6 to 8 hours. Boom! Wasn't that simple? Okay, man, I was gonna do some Yorkshire puddings with these here, but you know what? I can't find my Yorkshire pudding trays. So, you know what? Okay, I'm just gonna throw a potato in here. And then just throw in one potato. Yorkshires would be awesome with this, but you know, whatever. We're gonna go with potatoes. Alright, look at that. That's been almost 8 hours. Look at that. Oh, that looks good. There you go. Look at that. Oh yeah. Cut it with a fork. It's so good. Well, there you go. 8 hours. Man, it's good. All right. Now for the edibility factor. Because this is dry. Oh yeah. Probably gonna be pretty high. It's really good, man. Well, there you go. That's how you do it. Got carrots and onions and mushrooms and potatoes and slow cooker. Awesome. Right on, good stuff. Well, hey, I hope you like the video, man. Give it a try, man. Really good. Super tender. It's awesome. Yeah, so, you know, Mondays, Tuesdays, sometimes bi-weekly. So, yeah, hey, you know, man, you know what? Be calm. Be cool. Till next time. Probably next week. Maybe even Saturday. Who knows?